In the previous video, I had showed you how to create the calendar for KDP or Etsy business in the horizontal dimension. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to create the calendar for KDP or Etsy business in the vertical dimension. Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Dubey here. If you are watching me for the very first time, this channel is all about a place where I talk about KDP strategies, sales strategies, keyword strategies, everything about the strategies of KDP. Okay, so if you're interested, please go ahead and watch my content, and if you like it, please go ahead, like, subscribe, and share my channel to all the people who want to have a passive income for their life. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get started. So for the vertical dimension, I want to create a design with the custom size of, let it convert into inches, and it should be like this. That is the 8.5 into 11, or something you can choose 8.625 into 11 to 5, that's fine. Now once you are done, because this is the standard size of KDP or any calendar in the vertical dimension. Okay, so now once you are done, you will go into the element size and you will choose this box, and now we have to put it into this purple box, purple margin that you can see on the screen right now. I will just zoom in a bit. It is going to take some time because obviously you have to do the thing very carefully. I'm just copying it and I'm just pasting it. Copy, paste. Once you are done, you will go ahead and you will group it. After grouping, you can go ahead and click this button, duplicate. You can either copy or paste, or either you can duplicate, it's up to you. Okay, what is the use of groupings? That you do not need to copy over and again a single box. You can copy or duplicate all at once. Now once it's done, you will just select all and you can move it around like this. So this is the importance or benefit of using the grouping uh, option over there. So now once I done, I can go ahead and I can change the color. So I want to change the color. I can change according to what I like. I like blue. I can use it something like this. Once it's done, I will go ahead and I will choose the text option, and I can use heading and I can write January 2023. Then I will simply duplicate it and I will write the number of days, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. If you want to change the font, you can simply go ahead and change the font from here. So let's suppose that I want to put it yeah, that's fine. So this is Monday. Obviously it is going to take you some time. I'm just showing you every step. It is Tuesday. Again, duplicate. Wednesday, duplicate. Thursday. Now once you are done with this thing, you just have to go ahead and you have just to duplicate the page so that you do not need to repeat the process over and again. I will simply do it Then I will go ahead and I will change it to Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And here I will pick this one as notes. And what I will do is I will ungroup it first of all. And once I have ungrouped it, I will go ahead and I will delete this section because I want people to write down their notes, so there is no need of using the boxes. Simply I will go into the elements and I will write here dotted lines, or let's suppose lines. Okay, so here I can get a lot of things. It looks good to me. I will pick it out and I will place it and I will adjust it. Okay, obviously it is going to take some time, so be patient. Have patience, I mean. Yeah, so once you have done it, just copy it, duplicate it, paste it. Once you are done, select these all three lines, group it, and then simply duplicate it and put it like this. Duplicate it, put it like this, and repeat the process to the end. This is going beyond, so I will ungroup it and I will simply delete this one from here and maybe one more. Okay, so this is looking notes. Now if you, I think it looks amazing, but if you want to give it your touch or you want to make it some fancy, you can just go into the elements and you can just put designs. So now if you want to use the design like this, you can use it and put it like this, or here you can go ahead and you can pick stars or anything what you want. Or even you can go ahead and you can put lines. I will just duplicate it and I will put it here as well. Once I get into the line, I can use something like this at the end as well. And similarly I will just copy it and I will go ahead and I will paste it. Also, if you want to put in the dates, what you have to do is you have to just simply duplicate it and you have to write 1 2 3 and so on, like here. Again duplicate it, 2 3 and so on. And you just have to decrease the size because it is too much, so it is going to take a lot of time, so I'm just leaving it up here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, what you have to do is January is done. Now again you will just duplicate it, change the month, and you will just change the dates over here and it's done. And similarly you will do it for the 12 months. It is easy and you can sell it on Etsy, you can sell it on KDP, and yeah, that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment section below, and if you have any other video request, let me know in the comment section as well. Yeah, that's all for the day. I will see you in the next video.